Hi, I'm Greg Murray. I bought the Nest Hello Doorbell and I connected it just as the instructions told me to. I used the app to do the installation, and then everything in the app I followed word for word. It worked pretty well on the first day, but the next day, a totally different story. The chime stopped working, but I did continue to get the notifications on my app on my phone. I went back and I checked all the wiring, everything was right, but still no doorbell chime. I went to YouTube and I watched video after video trying to find a way to get this thing to work properly. And after watching video after video, nobody came up with a solution for me. It was one time a guy was talking about forgetting the doorbell chime and just relying on your notification on your phone, also to get a Google Nest Mini to alert me when someone is at the door. It was during that time when he was telling me that I should disconnect my chime altogether and then go into the app on my phone and tell my phone app that I'm not using a chime inside. That's when I realized my chime on-off button was off. So I turned it on, I pressed the doorbell, and what do you know, my chime works. I really wish I had found this information earlier, because if I had, then everything would have been good. But since I didn't find it that way, I thought I would share my experience with you in case you ran into the same problem. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and click the like button. I produce informational videos all the time. If you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, you'll be notified as soon as I post a new video. I'm Greg Murray. Thank you for watching.